Hello and welcome to One Pop and Chill. I'm Doz.
And I'm Nath. And today we're doing mystery boxes.
Mystery box again.
Yeah, it's been a while. From Pop in the Box, aren't
Pop
they?
in the box, yeah. Pop in the box, these are the culprits.
Not the quite well packaged, for fair, nice box.
It is a nice box, yeah. I was quite, compared to the last mystery box we did, it was a bit
Got a
different.
couple of rough ones from Pop in the Box just recently though.
Yeah,
Quality.
The outside box has been alright, it's just the internals, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it's just pricks at the freaking packaging place, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
What did it say the RRP of these were?
58 quid.
58, and they were 30 quid, weren't they? Because we pre-ordered them, so yeah.
Quite
Quite looking forward. What was it? Two exclusives and 2 commons. So
I don't know if the exclusives I don't know if it includes chasers.
I hope so.
I don't know.
So we're never going to get 2 commons each anyway. So
a couple of big hits.
yeah, that would be nice, wouldn't it? Right.
We better open, aren't we?
Yeah.
I don't know I'm going to open them because
I know we're going to see them all, aren't we?
They're a bit awkward, aren't we?
We'll have to just. I'll get mine cracked open.
It's okay to open them both up, to be fair.
Yeah, true.
I'm quite excited, man. It's been a while, hasn't it?
It has been a while.
Fuck, we can open. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to do this.
Just close your eyes.
That's it.
Close your eyes and hope.
If I had the box away from me like that, I can't actually see it. That'll do, won't it?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Alright, let's go.
Right, you going to go first?
Me first?
Yeah.
You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what we got here?
Hold your phone.
Yeah.
Staffpedia.
They are well packaged.
Oh, they?
Right then. Here they are, what's some packaging? What have we got here? Twilight
Saga.
Bloody hell. Good packaging though.
What are you laughing at?
Bloody Twilight
Saga.
It's good, isn't it?
That Jane.
Jane Rowan.
Quick Jane, Jane's Addiction.
Jane without a Y.
Are you going to show it up?
Oh,
and scan it after.
Yeah.
Alright, itchy fucking nose dial.
So, first one out the box.
It's not a big hitter, is it?
It's not a big hitter, but
No sticker.
the
Can you get Jedwood?
yeah, the box is in good condition though. I'll give them that compared to what we've had recently. Oh, you moved friends, did you?
Are we scanning it, Dram?
Oh, I better do, won't we? Yeah, because we've actually
What a squint.
paid money for these, haven't we? So
£6 quid.
6, yeah. So that's
Bolted though. There's your fucking. Right.
Yeah, it will be bloody vaulted. It'll be vaulted in my bloody room. We wouldn't be going on the shelves.
One can give away, eh?
Yeah. Oh, is there what you got?
Dragon Ball Z.
Oh,
Special edition.
see, is that the exclusive then?
Possibly.
Wow, the box is so pristine.
I don't know.
They are some pristine boxes.
Dragon Ball Z. I watched the video the other day, and that dude said the Dragon Ball Z ones are quite desirable.
Oh,
There is, yeah.
I've
Dragon
seen
Ball
a
Z
few
is it?
collections for sale.
Jiren. I don't know if I'm saying that right.
Jaren, I don't know.
Jiren.
Jaren
Something
scanner.
over in it.
Scanner. See what
Oh.
Stashpedia's saying. So mine was 6, wasn't it?
Yeah, as long as you get your money back, you're alright, aren't you?
I'd say it's going to be close to 10, wouldn't you? Or over.
29.
Really?
29, mate.
Nice.
Show you that.
Nice.
Can you see that? At the height, but it says 29 anyway.
29. Nice.
That's alright, that is. I'm quite happy with that.
That is good.
You did say, like I say,
Yeah. Well, they're retailing at 58 quid, so you'd expect a 20,
You're on a
30
bit,
quid,
yeah.
wouldn't you?
Yeah. Well, that's not a bad start anyway.
How's this one moved anyway?
God knows, man.
Right.
Right.
Next one. Right, what we got here then? There you go. They are very well packaged. 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 They are very Dr. Zeus, Sam I Am. Oh, it's flocked.
Is it?
But it doesn't say it.
It's not stickered.
Oh.
Yeah, where's your sticker at?
I don't know.
What could have
I've
sent
never
you?
seen that
What
before.
could have sent you a sticker?
Yeah.
Let
you
bum
put
wrap
that.
stuck in. But it's not bad packaged.
Yeah, I don't know. What
What an appalling
I don't
throw.
know if it's one of the exclusives or not. I don't know. It is flocked. I don't know if you can see that, but it is flocked, but with no sticker on. So, a few of them to collect. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know what to make of that drum. Do you want to scan her in, dude?
Yeah, they were.
I'm quite eager to see what this is.
4. What though? It is. You already say though. It's flocked.
It is flocked. Yeah. £4. That's a tenner there. A tenner. That's a tenner. God, so that means the other two got to be 30 quid each. Oh, well.
Ish.
Yeah, no. 20 quid
What's
each.
it go for?
Oh, we didn't do the swap thing, did we?
Oh well. Oh well. Next box will do it.
That's a good one. No, I've seen that.
Swamp Thing.
I've seen that. The guy selling that earlier.
Underground Toys exclusive glows in the dark. Oh what?
I've seen it.
Oh, it's a bat. It's a DC
DC?
thing. No, it's DC, is it? Yeah, of course it is. Contains hazardous choking parts. I don't know where. Well, it just looks a bit dusty. That doesn't
It does look dusty. I thought that.
Bit quick spring. Looks a bit Springfield. Glows in the dark. It is a Underground Toys exclusive.
What are you saying? 15.
Oh, I don't know.
Are they?
After that one,
I see.
after that first one, I'm not really fussed.
I can't believe that.
They could have all been worth frigging 30 for free.
Well, I suppose you paid for it. You got your money back on that one box, haven't you? On that one.
Tenner.
Yeah.
What thing? Tenner. Right.
I've got to put it on top. I'll have to.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. Shall we move on?
Yeah, there. Why not?
Right then. See what we've got. This is Crash Bandicoot. This is the fake one. Oh, I know that.
Oh, nice.
I've seen that in the shop. I thought it was the chase one at first, but it's a shadow into the chase one. It's heavy. The last Crash we did was
Yeah,
heavy,
the last
wasn't it?
Crash was heavy. Subsequent. Yeah.
Yeah. Got the
Fake one.
fake
What does it
Bandicoot.
mean by a fake one?
Well,
What's it just?
It must be just some imitation. It's not the real. It's
Yeah.
not the real Crash. There he is, looking fake with his goofy old teeth. You've seen the back of that before on the last video.
Is it the same?
The back is isn't it? You've got the scuba one. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
It's the one after that. Fake Crash. Oh, I'm going to have to go on top of these because we've only got 4 each, haven't we? Oh, we need scanning.
Yeah, I've whipped off so jump.
Okay.
Just have whipped off top of set while we're scanning. Right, where is it? £9.
No.
Next one needs to be a banger, doesn't it, dude? Really?
So that's 20, yeah. It needs to be over a tenner just to get the money back.
Rick and Morty,
Rick and Morty.
Mr. Poopy Butthole.
Is that common?
I imagine so.
Are them two your exclusives?
I think so.
Oh yeah, I suppose your next two are
pull them
going
out first.
to be... Yeah. Well,
Oh yeah, it makes no odds, does it?
no.
Quick Rick and Morty. If anyone likes it, probably give this one away.
Good swam while you're blocking the camera.
Oh yeah, you drum, why not? Scan this in, it's going to be £5, isn't it?
Yeah, something like that. Go on.
£6.
6. So you're still on what? 45 quid,
Yeah.
aren't you? 45, so that's not too bad. Well, it's better than what you paid.
Yeah.
But for the RRP, you wouldn't want to have paid 58 for them, would you?
Not at the minute, no.
Well, the last one. What have we got here? What's that?
I'm not convinced you've had 2 exclusives, Jam. I'm not.
I'm not. I'm not.
I'd
There's definitely not 2 exclusives there.
I'll be sending them a friggin' a message.
Definitely. There's only one with a sticker on. I don't even know what this is. What is it?
Wesley.
The print.
Princess Bride. Yeah, I know what that is.
I've never even heard of it.
I think it's a film.
Is it?
Possibly a book as well.
What's that one?
Princess Bride.
Yeah, Princess Bride. Classic, that is.
I'm not freaking Limelight.
Oh, it's a scanner in.
What you saying? Not much hope.
Not much hope at all.
£6.
So,
Have you made your money back there?
no. Not at all. There's only one
There's not
exclusive
2
as well.
exclusive in there though, is there?
So, I will be sending them an email.
Yeah.
Definitely. Right,
Last one.
see what you've got.
Another Rick and Morty one, no doubt.
Is it?
Yeah, the weaponised Morty.
You may as well collect them now.
Oh, fucking hell. Weaponised Morty drum.
Yeah? You don't want that, do you?
Yeah, it looks alright. Well, just like I say, it's... I'm not a massive fan of it. Quick weaponised Morty there. Perhaps another one for the giveaway. Got 3 for the giveaway now, to be fair.
I'll probably only keep Crash one of mine. You've got 2 with stickers on, haven't you?
Yeah.
I've got 3 commons.
Yeah, to be fair.
Yeah.
Can't say that's a special edition flop one because it's not even got a fucking sticker on it.
No. So that's nowhere near worth what you paid for it. Yours is alright though, isn't it? It's only when they stick another barcode over the top of them, innit?
£3. Fucking hell.
3!
Got the fucker home back, didn't he?
You still got more than what you paid though, haven't you? Well, you got
Yeah.
30, 40.
Yeah. 49.
So, and I got 10. What was that? Crash. Oh, I don't know. We'll put it up on the screen anyway, won't we?
Yeah. But like I say, I'm not convinced you've had your 2 exclusives.
No.
He said.
No, I'm not. I'm not at all.
I reckon,
We'll definitely be getting in touch with them.
yeah, I would.
So I'll probably not even put any of them on the shelf. Apart from Crash.
Crash is alright.
Crash is alright. No, that Dr. Zeus would put £4.
Yeah.
Weird that is, isn't it? What was that? 6? Yeah, so it's... I'm just trying to work out if I've got made money on it, but I can't think. Got 6, 4.
Well, I've got 3 Rick and Morty ones. And if anybody wants them, just say in the comments. And we'll sort that out.
Yeah.
We're out for Rick and Morty ones. There's another one. Yeah, on the shelf.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3.
Bird person.
There's 3 there that... 3 to go home.
Yeah. I won't forgive you some of mine away. Get another one.
Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll get another box.
Yeah, we'll have to get another one because... Well, just for you
down.
guys, really.
Yeah, just for the video.
Okay, make sure you check out the Instagram page as well. We'll be putting pictures of these on.
Yeah.
Well,
Enough.
maybe not all of them.
Yeah. And they'll go on, won't they, just to... we'll also pop in the box now through Instagram as well, won't we?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Well, like I say, my one's not a bad box.
No, you've made your money back,
Yeah.
but not the RRP.
No.
And if you would have paid 58 for that,
Oh no,
I
you
think
wouldn't
you'd
have to
be
that,
very
would you? You wouldn't have to
disappointed.
that, would you?
So we'll add it all, pop the calculations up on the screen and that, so you can see it all.
Yeah, we'll put a link in the description as such to what description we do.
Oh
to
yeah.
the fucking to the Instagram.
Yeah.
You'll see it on the page at some point in the video. Forgot before, didn't we?
Ah, we did forgot to say that at the start. There's plenty of other stuff on the Instagram as well, isn't there? It's not just this, is it?
Yeah.
Well, not just these. There's some that we haven't recorded that are on there, so
But yeah,
check it out.
at least they're all in decent condition.
Yeah, the boxes are good.
Well, thanks for watching. It's our Pop in the Box mystery box.
Pop in a box. Yeah.
Not done bad.
No,
Well, I didn't do bad.
we'll get another one.
Yeah, get another one. Try again. If you only notice any disturbance in the camera, I did chuck the box at it. So it might have moved a little bit.
It's alright.
Got over it.
Our
So,
editing skills, we'll get that out, won't we?
Oh yeah. No doubt. No doubt. So that's about it, innit?
Yeah.
Right. Let's check out with you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Check out Instagram.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later.
see you later.